On a geostrategic study tour where you intend to take cognizance, to familiarize yourselves with Mauritius and the development that Mauritius has experienced since independence, and also with the law enforcement agencies in Mauritius. As I mentioned earlier, Mauritius has no army, no navy, no air force. All is under the Commissioner of Police, so you have here a one-stop shop. For a country which is about 1.3 million inhabitants, and with about more than 1.4 million tourists visiting us every year. We've got a police force of nearly 13,000. In fact, 12,500 personnel. And this includes police, the CID, traffic, the military wing, which we call the Special Mobile Force, headed by Mr. Savansi, the National Coast Guard, which would be equivalent to the Navy in a country, represented here.
Presentation. Being an island country, what is the most likely threat you perceive as an island country? Secondly, considering that your population, which is over 1.2 million, do you consider it as a strength or as a weakness in terms of your economic development? Thank you, sir.
Cette présence ici, c'est une envie d'apprendre de manière Maurice fin développer et cette envie convaincue dans le secteur de la pêche qui va développer qui finit là. Et nous là pour montrer ça, pour partager autant d'expérience, mais ça qui nous plus impressionne ça, première observation que le Commodore Hacham vient faire, il dit nous félicitations, one of the countries in the world, que nous avons taux de criminalité le plus bas. Et nous finissons expliquer qui fait le taux de criminalité le plus bas. Parce qu'il y a une police force qui travaille jour et nuit, pour faire baisser la criminalité.